Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we are making a so sweet treat, sweeter than me, vegan cookie dough ice cream, 2 different ways. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's start off by making our cookie dough. You're going to need 1 cup flour, half a cup of cold butter, half a cup dark brown sugar or sugar of your choice, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Alright, now take your fancy pastry cutters and let's, yeah, the word for blending with pastry cutters, that. Yeah, I'm sweating. This is taking a little arm strength, but it'll be worth it. You see it's coming along. It's coming along. All right, back to cutting. It really is taking a little arm strength. All right, all done. Yes. Gonna stick the rest in the fridge. Now let's make our ice cream. Let's start off with the bananas first. Here is 2 frozen bananas. Into the blender it goes. 1 cup almond milk. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. And that's it. I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for 5 minutes. While our nice cream firms up, let's go ahead and make our coconut milk cream. I had this in the fridge overnight. I already opened it because what you're gonna do, guys, see the liquid on top, you're gonna pour that out. So I flipped the can over and now I'm gonna pour. Does that make sense?
Just refrigerate it, flip it, pour it out.
So this is all the fat that has now floated to the top. If you're still confused from the last statement I said, it still don't make no kind of sense. Into the blender goes our coconut fat. To sweeten up our coconut cream, we are going to use 1/4 cup raw agave. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Just gonna shake this and get down to the bottom. As you see, the agave is still dripping as well, since we didn't add any additional liquid. All right, just like we did with the banana ice cream, we're gonna stick our coconut ice cream in the freezer as well, just to solidify. I can already see the texture before I stick it in the freezer, like, yes. Let's go ahead and make our coconut cream. It is ready. So let's add in our cookie dough. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup at a time and add it to our mixture. I think it can stand for 1 more 1/4 cup, so 1/2 cup of cookie dough. Do y'all see this? Oh, look at that. That is what you want. I want y'all to see the cookie dough. Can y'all see it though?
I just gained a whole 5 pounds, okay?
Okay guys, so it's been like 30 minutes for the banana ice cream and it is not freezing.
What happened was, before I showed you guys my frozen bananas, I had let them thaw on the counter apparently a little too long. And it just wasn't freezing back. I should have immediately put them in the smoothie because I was making ice cream. I wasn't thinking. I do that for my smoothies, not for ice cream. So therefore, we still have a smoothie consistency with this. But
Say hey. Well, my TT just want to say that the banana ice cream was a fail. So we're just gonna go with the coconut cream until I try it again another day. Here is our coconut cream ice cream. It's so good. You already see me taste it. I tasted the banana ice cream as well. It just tastes like really good banana. Like, no lie, I'm going to make it again so we can get an accurate, what am I trying to say? Comparison of the 2.
Did you make this like super from scratch?
Yes, I did. I did.
Like you churned it and everything?
Well, blender churned it type of, yeah. You scared?
Yeah, y'all know, man. Okay. That's legit.
Yay!
This wasn't, for real though.
Uh-huh.
It tastes more like a pudding.
Okay.
Than an ice cream.
Okay.
but it's
we will definitely go with that.
All right, now.
Okay, I know. You gonna know what's in there when you
I
bite
smell
it.
bananas.
Right, the same as your bananas.
Just bananas, yeah. It just didn't freeze like I wanted it to.
And the one I just had was good.
Perfect.
That's probably because the texture.
This is the banana and cookies. This is the coconut and cookies. I definitely taste the cookie dough. And I definitely taste the banana. I love bananas, so I want the banana taste to be there. It's just pure joy. That's what it is. I like this one even, like, I didn't think that I would like this one even more.
Yeah.
But I actually like this one even more just because the coconut seems to, because it's, I guess, more coconut milk or coconut cream, it mimics the ice cream texture better than banana does. They're both good, but like this just, I didn't even have words. So you're like, what's that face that you're making? Yeah, they're both good, but I would say the coconut wins to me.
As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Peace.